Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another live of Mellow Trade to break down what happened to Bitcoin during a New York session. My episode today, uh, the title is Patience. How you have to stay patience and opportunity it will represent itself. If you don't have that, which is I'm working on this box, guys. Never mind order block boxes, never mind strategy, never mind nothing. If you don't have that, everything that you learn you can throw in the garbage. So nonetheless, let's go start our life by saying patience pay. So um quick recap. I didn't do a recap today in the morning. I was a little bit busy, but let's do a quick recap here. So basically, before the New York Open, we have a break of structure on the 15 minute. Again, Asia just pumped us from basically 9 o'clock all the way to 3 o'clock. And it looks like 3 o'clock, it's 3, 4 o'clock, it's been the pivot um, time. I don't know if they don't close. They open at 9, uh, 8 hours. Maybe they close, like about to close, because it looks like 3, 4 o'clock is the pivot for them as well. So, nonetheless, we have a break of structure here on the 15 minute. If we go to Ethereum, um, internet is slow today, guys. I don't know what's going on here. We go to, let's hide this. Let's hide the order block. Yeah, break of structure on Ethereum as well on the 15 minute. If we go to Solana, uh, let's go, buddy. Hello. It's taking their sweetest time, guys. I don't know. The internet today was messing me up, anyways. Uh, yeah. So let me see if that. Oh no. Okay. So Solana break of structure. 15 minute we close in it. So today we have a break of structure. My level is my levels. I have them here, and basically we were waiting. Oh, what happened now? Here, basically, we touched the order block here, but we had a break of structure, so it was we front run the 618, guys, from the low right here. So then this is the low. This is the low to be taken. Again, if we go to the 4 hours, it's market cipher. Red dot was printing. Uh, Money flows going. This still pouring out. So let's go now to the 3 minute. Let's see what happened. Oh, the replay is just gone, I think. Stay or leave, whatever. Start new. Let's go to 9:30 right here. Here we go. So we had a break of structure. We break into the downside. Market cipher is telling me there was a div, but I go by structure with market cipher. So I didn't think that was the bottom, but we had a volume here. We closed really on it. I wanted to see close really far. I was eyeing basically this order block, but again, I should have take the trade at market open, but um, I didn't. So we opened here. I see the rejection, but I thought this was the rejection on it. Uh, yeah. So I saw the rejection at the market open. I wanted to take it, but I didn't take it. I saw that order block is not holding the. Basically, we closed in it. We bounced from the point of control. We bounced from the 618. It wasn't my cup of tea to take, but it was a nice trade. If you would have taken here, I was late. I was late to the party. We had the push. We had that candle. Was it that candle? No. I'll show you the candle that we had. This one. This candle, it just because we have structure to the downside. Nothing until we break here. And they decided to go all the way, take all this liquidity that was built from basically yesterday uh, Asia session. So they took all that liquidity and now they want it back. I entered the trade on the green candle. I think I entered trade here. I was too late to the trade. Right away, stop loss to entry because I saw the volume. It came up. I wanted here. It came up, kicked me out, and then it went to a target. I said, no problem. It wasn't my strategy. So I wasn't mad at it. It's just something that represents itself. So it's not in the thing. So this order block is gone now, and I was waiting for this. Let's delete that. Let's hide this guy. I was waiting for this order block now because yeah, we didn't break structure, but if we would have break structure, here would we bounce. Um, that's the last order block where we bounce. And guys, we had just um, just going down. We had this um, close. So I think did I take that? Let's see. That's something that I would have take. Yeah, I did actually. Uh, because I did that basically invalidation to the law, and you know me, guys. I was gonna take it. Where did I take it? I was gonna take it to the highs, like here. Yeah, just front run these. Uh, sorry, guys. Just front run these highs. I don't have a clear order block here to take it, and I knew the structure was down. I think it was just something quick to take. Um, so I took it to these highs. Yeah, we got hit basically stop loss to entry, and I think they came back to my stop loss. Yeah, here you see it. Came back to this stop loss, and they went to TP2. My TP2 basically, guys, was this wick right here. TP2. I'll tell you a story about TP2. TP2 is my nemesis right now. All I do is TP1, TP2 just they come back to my entry. So TP2 is my nemesis. I need to improve on TP2 and patience. Patience number one, but TP2 has been a hard guy for me. So yeah, they kicked me out. They went to TP2, and then I think we got rejected from here. I don't have an order block for here, guys. I was marking this order block. I thought we're gonna touch it and go back if we wanted, but we closed in it. and basically this order block is gone now for me. Some people they leave it because they wait for that high. Not me. I'm a scalper. I need in and out really quick, and we kept going. We didn't break structure really here. um, Now we broke structure, so we made this order block here unmitigated. This order block is not mitigated. I was waiting for these order blocks, and we kept just going down, guys. 11 o'clock, I think I did another this out. Did I? uh yeah, somehow. Let me see, guys, here. Today is the 13th. I did too many trades. I wasn't supposed to do them, guys, but too many trades here. 942, is that 942? No, that's not 942. 841, 942, 1010, is that 1010? No. Yeah, nonetheless, that's 952. So I did short it here. um Not a strategy. I think I just saw red market cipher, so not a strategy for me. So let's continue here. We're not coming back to any order block. We're not touching any order block. uh, Now this guy here, yeah, it's crowded order block. Like you can count this one, but I didn't like it, and we were breaking the 786, the 888. This is the low to go, and we just took the low. Of course, we came back for this order block, but we didn't close blue in it. We closed red. So aggressive short. It was aggressive short. It did not give us um any opportunity. At 11 o'clock, guys, I went. I was watching a soccer game. So I left here. I came back around 2:30. So I don't know what happened here. I'm doing it with you guys, and we're gonna do it quick today. Um, let's see. I wasn't gonna take that, but I don't know. I was in front of the screen today to see what exactly happened here. So I wasn't gonna take it. Nothing that tells me to take it. So I'll continue. Yeah, see, we went out here. Um, so we went out. We ignored that order block, and we kept going. No break of structure. Yeah, we just dumped hard here. We built this order block. Let's see if we're gonna come back to it now. um no, we closed under this order block. So, and we were favoring shorts, so it's not something I would do. You see what happened? They wicked it, and they go real fast, real fast. They don't give you nothing. They don't give you nothing, and you get frustrated, and that's why you take trades and you lose trades. But you just have to wait. I I'm telling myself I just have to wait, because right here, so this one is gone. Basically waiting for this order block. We took the low, and we continue. No, no real to the low. Basically just going. I was in front of the screen, guys, so I don't know what happened. I just looked at my phone and I saw the dump. So Yeah, this is gone. Naked point of control, not respected. Now we have a, this is the last order block before the real low, before the low that 98. So we had an order block here. Did we come back to this order block? No, we front, looks like we front ran it. Yeah, we did front run it. Aggressive shorts. We made this order block here. We closed in it. That's good for shorts. That means continuation shorts. Did we went to that order block? No, we just ignored it as well. Not ignored it. We just like front ran it because shorts they were like piling up. Here we basically closed that candle in that order block. So no, so we closed and we just went. Um, so like aggressive shorts, guys. You cannot catch aggressive shorts. You gotta have another strategy to, not another strategy. You just gotta wait. You just gotta wait, and they're gonna give you a chance to come in. But basically, all you have to do just um, press short and go to sleep. In the New York Open, it's been like that for uh, 2 weeks now, I guess. 2 weeks. We have that one day going up, and we come back to the short. Anyways, so this, we closed in it. We came up. No, we said we're not doing it. Aggressive shorts, and we we disrespected that, but that could be just liquidity. Did we close outside of it? Oh yeah, we closed outside of it, but I'm not sure. Like, mm, should we check it on another exchange? Let's check it on another, on the Bybit, another Bybit pair. Uh, I don't know if I should take it. I wasn't here to take it, but if that happened, yeah, here we closed in it, guys. So yeah, it's not a clear for me. Let's see if, I don't know. Let's continue. Let's see what happened. Um, this is ridiculous. Like, close here, I'll take you, but no. So yeah, straight down. Yeah, that TP1 should be here. Already took that TP1, and today percentage was amazing. So this is gone. So it gave you a chance here. Mm, I don't know. Where is your invalidation, guys? So wow, validation right here. Yeah. So, anyways, TP1 hit, stop loss to entry, and they didn't do anything here. They made an order block here. Did we front run this one too? Yeah, we front run that one. So we took the liquidity again. That's June low. That's, everybody was waiting for that June low. And basically, guys, 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock, they gave you an opportunity here. Now let's check where's your invalidation, because you actually wicked that. So where's your invalidation? Your invalidation, to be safe, I would say, let's put the invalidation here. Let's see what happened, guys. And of course, TP1, I would say just to front run all this liquidity. I don't know, but that could be like a quick break of structure because we closed, not this one. This one was a week, so it gave you, oh wow, gave you like ba- base point, gave you like a Yeah, base hit. Gave you base hit, so you should have take some off here. But let's see what happened. If you wanted to take that, yeah, came back down, gave you another one. Yeah, no. So yeah, it gave you a base hit basically, but basically that was the low. Um, because you just took, guys, you gotta understand, you just took a major liquidity right here. Like if you're doing it here, no problem, you have levels. But when you take a liquidity, like a big liquidity, and two times you wicked in it, you never close underneath it. So I wasn't sure there's a continuation, but I wasn't here to take it anyway. So now we did this. I would have wait for this. Um, yeah, that's something I should pay attention to too. We front run it, came back. Yeah, we did the low. So I should have take some profit here for sure. It went down. Um, okay, so I'll wait for this order block because we basically flipped structure to the upside on the 3 minutes. 15 minute is too far, guys. 15 minutes is too far. So yeah, I'll wait, and then we closed in it, so no trade. Um, yeah, no trade. I don't know if I should after this one. I gotta be dialed in, guys. Too. I don't know. I don't know if I should have take that one, but nonetheless, that's a good trade. I think I took that one because I came back here. Uh, yeah, I came back somewhere here. Uh, did I take this trade? I know I have a lost trade. Uh, mm, uh, yeah, yeah. I don't know. I should have put the stop loss to here. This is the validation, and I would have take it. Yeah, I think that's the trade that I messed up on. I'm not messed up, but invalidation just, yeah, this one. Yeah, invalidation just hit, guys, and um, it was so annoying because they came back to another low without closing again. So that was a loss. But did I? Yeah, I took it on the intention of going up, but it wasn't something that yeah, yeah, that would have been a bad loss because we broke structure to the upside on a 3 minute. So anyways, here I think here what pissed me off because we made an order block here. We front ran that order block and we came back here to TP1. Um, yeah, this one is something I think I would have take uh, right here, but structure to the downside, and we just got yeah. So you get another basically taking that low. Um, it's basically something. It's big order block, so we came down. I don't know where's the target, but basically we came down base hit. So if we were to take that trade. um, and now we're coming up. You made this order block here. Just let's ignore that. You went up this order block, but we closing it. And uh, uh this is something that pissed me off too when I saw it, because we have that order block. Basically, we just touched it and we were coming down. We closing it, nothing. uh Doji engulfing, that's something I would take. We didn't take the liquidity. I took that one just to make um, basically the loss, and I just took it until here, guys. Where did I take it? I think somewhere here. Yeah, just to make that the loss, and we went straight to it. And I had this order block here. It didn't give me time, and now when we had a higher low, and of course this is the last order block, just like this one was the last order block, and I tried it on the thing. So this is the patience, like you gotta wait all day, and then the market will give you something. um, so you had this order block, and perfectly, if you didn't like that hit, it gave you a doji close basically, so you would have take that short. Definitely I would have take that short. Invalidation basically here, and I would have take that short to that order block. And boom, you got hit on the same target hit. You got this order block closed nicely in it, so you would have take that. So two trade one after another, guys, and this invalidation, and just because TP1 already hit right here. Yeah. So two trade one after another at 4 o'clock, but you waited the whole day for the dump and you didn't get nothing. Absolutely nothing. I had a couple of trades, but no patient trade, so I was struggling today. That's why I left it. No, no, I had a soccer game at 11. I came back. I wanted to make a trade, and I messed up. And I'm not I'm not down a lot for a day, but it's a down day for me today. Definitely is a down day because I made some stupid mistakes, uh, but improving. I hate these touches, but sometimes they work, and when they work, they piss me off. So I take another touch, and then that is a loss. So something like that. This was a big volume right here, and I saw this closing outside of it, so I took it. um, I wasn't supposed to take that. No, no, I was supposed to take that trade. This trade that I took, I wasn't supposed to take it because I was eyeing this order block. We already came, we left, we got the bounce, and I saw this wick, and I saw this came back, took the liquidity and close here. So I said, I think this order block is holding. This supposed to be the order block is holding if we were gonna hold. So no, we went. My invalidation was basically the low, and we right away took the low. Bye bye. So it's working for strategy. I have to improve it. Last order block, try it when close outside of it or close inside and then leaving. So it's something that I'm working on. Um, Now you have this order block. Uh, we didn't touch it. Are we coming back to it? No. Now we're here. So you had this order block to come back to. You never touched it. And you have this order block to come back to. And this order block looks like we took the low, guys. Like we took that. Everybody's talking about this low. And I told you guys we have to come back 97. I think it's a little bit more. If I go to let me go to the spider lines. Did we touch that spider line? um no, we didn't touch it, guys. So we might have, let's see how the market cipher looks. Yeah, market cipher 12. Yeah, I see another low to the spider lines. 24, another low to the spider lines. 1 hour, yeah, we might have a little bit up, maybe we get rejected out of these lows, and then we're going down just to make a bullish diversion, which is preferred low. Yeah, I see that happening on the 4 hours. Good news, guys, we have money flows posturing to the upside. So we might have a quick bam bam, and then you have that div right here, money flow coming up, and then you have that low. We're gonna see that tomorrow maybe, or Asia can do it, I'm not sure. But basically tomorrow we're gonna be talking about this, the only bad news we have the daily. um we could have a bullish diversion here on the daily, guys, which is really good. I don't like that money flow. Why? Because now we made a lower low on the money flow. That's never a good news. And I showed you this before. We cannot make a lower low. So this uh, diversion has to save us. But we have to go to 97 first. We have to take another low, go to 97.5. If we go to the weekly, we cannot close under this spiral line, guys. We cannot. 3 days to go. We cannot do it. Sunday, 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. We cannot do it. So if we do it, we have a lot of things to talk about. If we didn't, if we came down and we closed up, then I think we're going one more time to the upper spider line, which is 130, and that would be your last hope. Altcoin is pumping, your last chance to get out the altcoin. I'm looking at it right now. Is we're breaking structure on the 15-minute, so just to have a little pumpy before the dumpy to 97. Uh, yeah, so we already closed above this low. No, not really. We have 5 minutes to close above it, but looks like we will. If we will here, then we track the momentum to the upside because we have, guys, we have all this liquidity from today, all this to be taken. Market maker is rich today. Market maker gonna be rich, baby. Um, and that's all. That's all what we have for today. Um, any Everything is dying, guys. There is no hope as of right now other than that bullish diversion, and I think if we did the diversion before the spider line, I think we're going much lower, because we go up and then we go down. Look here. um USDT dominance is just so happy. Money flow is coming up beautiful on the USDT dominance. um Bitcoin dominance start pumping. I see money flows coming. So altcoin baby is just dead. And today, guys, everything was green in the morning and it just died. So, anyways, good luck. I think my projection. Uh, uh, I don't know if I should say take my word on it, but I'll tell you what I'm looking at. I'm looking at 97, where we filled that SP. Maybe we come down to, oh, 94. That's too far. Maybe we make another low, fill that single print, and I see us guys going back to 117. So that's the hope I'm giving you. I'm see us going to the 117 to close the spot, to close the CME gap, and to take right here. I see us coming here, guys. Let's do that. I see us coming here. We come, we maybe go up, come down one more, and then we work our way up to 117, take all this liquidity, and then take some of this gap. There is a CME gap right here to be filled, and bye bye. I think that would be your uh, lower high, and then we're going. See you at 40. I think it's a 40K. But again, if this pushed us to 117 and it has more juice, it's gonna push us to all-time high. But your all-time high is gonna be 130, 132, and then we're going to 40. That's my projection. So I'll show you what I'm looking at. So scenario one, we're gonna have up a little bit, down one more, go. Of course, there's zigzag in the way. Go 117, 118, and then we go down. We go down. I think the bottom will be, wow, yeah, 40, something like that. Scenario two. Uh, I'll do scenario two here. Up, down one more, and then up to 130, 132, and then down. And then all the way down. So you like scenario one or you like scenario two? Both scenario or bear market coming next year. That's my projection. I hope I'm wrong, but the 4-year cycle is finishing uh, this year. So we either have that pump late this month and next month, and that's it. Maybe we have January, February until March, Q1 of next year, but I don't think we have more juice to go. And then the release of the beast is gonna come for us. So good luck, guys, for your altcoin, and I'll see you tomorrow for another update and stream. Bye bye for now, your friend Melo.